Smart designer doors should be stored and transported either on the long edge or vertically, never flat and never stacked on top of one another. For handling and unpacking the designer door, you'll need a safety knife and gloves. Handling the door requires a minimum of 2 persons. The door must be carried horizontally along its edge using the plastic packaging straps or in the upright position. Before unpacking a designer door, you must first confirm the order details on the packaging are correct. Also, measure the aperture to confirm the size is correct, allowing for 10 mm tolerance both horizontally and vertically. Inspect the packaging for damage. Each designer door is supplied with a shock dot to visually indicate if the packaging has been subjected to rough handling during transportation. If the dot indicates red, you should inform your supplier immediately. Any damage should be photographed and submitted to your supplier. It's recommended to unpack the designer door in the vertical position, ensuring the door is orientated correctly. Remove all packaging using a safety knife, except for the protective foam at the bottom of the door and protective plastic wrapping on the door sash and outer frame. Inspect both sides of the designer door for any signs of damage. Any non-conformities should be reported to your supplier immediately, along with supporting photographic evidence. Never open a designer door during this process. To install the designer door, you'll need a spirit level, electric drill screwdriver, tape measure, and 7 pneumatic airbags. Carry the designer door vertically to the point of installation and remove any remaining packaging. Ensure the door is placed on a clean surface. You can reuse packaging from the door if necessary. Easing the door carefully into place, secure the door using the airbags. Note, the door must not be opened until it is secure in the aperture. Check the door is plumb and true. To make adjustments, adjust the airbags by inflating or deflating accordingly. Carefully unlock the door and remove the glazing block positioned between the threshold and door sash. Secure the door in place utilizing a fixing suitable to the door aperture substrate. We recommend fixings 125 mm from each corner, then additional fixings at 600 mm centers. Note, do not drill or fix through the airbags. Install the sash infill and fix lock keep plate. Check the door's operation to ensure that it opens and shuts smoothly. Check the locking mechanism by unlocking and locking the door. Remove the airbags once you've confirmed the door is fixed and operating correctly. If required, use an Allen key to make any necessary adjustment on the hinges. Once the door is fitted, remove all plastic protection. Clean with non-abrasive cleaner and remove all residue. Carry out a final operation test on the designer door and readjust if required.